In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes not updating on an iPhone. First, go ahead and open the App Store and then tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Then select App Updates and pull down on the screen to refresh the available updates. From there, find Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes and tap Update. If the update is stuck, tap the Update button to pause it, then tap it again to resume. Make sure you do have a stable Wi-Fi connection and enough storage. You can check your storage by opening your settings, going down, selecting General, and then iPhone storage. Next, go ahead and restart your iPhone and try the update again. You should also open settings again, head over to General once again, and then select Software Update this time, and install any available iOS update. As a final step, delete and reinstall the game only if your progress is linked to Game Center, Apple, or an EA account, because unlinked progress could be lost. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.